Hi everybody, welcome back to this database refresh session from source to destination. So here I have like two concepts. One is part one and part two. So as per part one at source server, I'm taking AdventureWorks database full backup, copy only to this sheet path. And in second step on destination, here I have like sub steps like one, two, three, four, and five. The first step is it will perform a full backup on destination as it is needed like before taking a refresh activity. Second step on destination, we will extract AdventureWorks database permissions for safer side. And third step, this would perform the database refresh using the source backup file. And fourth step, reapply the permissions on AdventureWorks database, which were taken using step two. And the final step is fix orphan users and drop orphan users on AdventureWorks database on destination. So let's see all this like in practical. So here I have my source as source server. I have only one database called AdventureWorks, and a job here is as AdventureWorks copy only backup. Let me trigger this backup job. There we go. The backup is taken to the network path as I just shown you. Let me open the network path. What I have here right now. So it's 1040. Backup file is this one, which it got just now generated 224049. Now from this path, and when I go to like to the destination, here I have a job here already created. When I open this, it has five steps as I just like briefed about it. So one, two, three, four, and five. So coming back to like step number three specifically here, this step what it does is it will navigate to the same network path, network shared path, and from this location it will pick the latest file to restore, not the previous ones. That is what the logic is written in the step 3. Now let me show you practically. Let me go to the job on the destination. Let me trigger this manually. Now beginning from the starting one, let me start it. But before starting it, let me like show you one important point here. Now on the destination server, if you see on destination, I'm fetching some information from one table called employee table, starting 5 records. These 5 records is having like job title as destination 1, 2, and 3. Now, the moment we do refresh, these table data will come as per the source backup file availability, when the information or the roles, the job titles. Um, Let me save this and reuse like later, not now. This is like verification. I'm saving and just closing this query window. Now let me trigger this job now. And even like before seeing this, let me show you all right, that's okay. Let me go and start the job now manually. So it starts taking first backup. We'll go and cross check it. There we go. So on destination, I have taken a backup for safer side before refreshing it with the production file. The backup is taken place at 10:42 p.m. IST, which is 258. All right, now by this time, if I show you the backup and the history, run history, this job on my destination has run all the steps. First one, AdventureWorks database backup on destination. It went for taking all database permissions, then doing a refresh using backup file coming from source and putting back all the permissions, then performing fixing orphan users and dropping orphan users. This is done. Let's go and see the proof. Now on destination, let me open a new query window, or else we can go with destination open file. So let me open the file which is on the desktop, the verification file. All right. So right now we are on destination. Once I run this statement, you will not see uh, the old value. See, the values has got changed, and these values came because this database got refreshed, and even all the table content got refreshed on the destination. That's the reason. This is a verification, and other verification is, let me go to destination and check the restore history. Use MSDB, then go, then select star from restore history. And here, let me do one thing. Let me do top 5 star. Then press. Oh, sorry. All right. Now, if you see, the last file I used to restore is okay. That's not fetching the restore history properly. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me check my scripts regarding the restore history. All right. Let me use my localized scripts. There we go. The last file, what it restored is uh, 224049. The same file it fetched from this location, the top file. This is the confirmation. Of all these files, it has not picked the older files. It has picked the latest backup file what was taken on the source. Okay. So 224049 is the backup file it has used for restoration. So this is a proof that it is restoring automatically from the source backup location into the destination using the latest backup file. And here I have not done anything like manually. Everything is like hard coded in the job scripts. I just shown you, and even the same thing is like written over here. This is what like we have done so. So with this, I have done database refresh little bit using automation, not completely. I agree with that. But regarding the scripts, like what I have used, I will show in the next session. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks everybody.